Immerse yourself in the world of captivating visuals and breathtaking cinematic experiences with our carefully curated selection of the 5 best projectors available this year. From movie aficionados craving the magic of the big screen to gaming enthusiasts seeking larger-than-life adventures, these projectors have been handpicked to deliver unparalleled brilliance and versatility. Get ready to embark on a journey of audiovisual excellence as we unveil the top contenders that have captured the hearts and minds of enthusiasts worldwide. Number 5. Wimius P64 Native 1080p Outdoor Movie Projector. Experience the future of home entertainment with the Wimius P64 Native 1080p Outdoor Movie Projector. This 4K projector brings convenience and perfection to your viewing experience with its autofocus and auto keystone correction features. Enjoy stunning visuals with 500 ANSI lumens, wide color gamut, and native 1080p support. Plus, with ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6 and two-way Bluetooth 5.2, you can enjoy smooth streaming and gaming. The touchscreen, 300-inch large screen, and 50% zoom function offer flexibility and customization. Elevate your home theater or outdoor movie nights with the Wimius P64 projector. Number 4. Jmgo N1 Pro Projector. Experience the ultimate cinematic journey with the Jmgo N1 Pro Projector 1080p. This remarkable projector delivers outstanding brightness, vibrant colors, and impeccable image quality day and night. With its integrated gimbal design, you can effortlessly find the perfect projection location even on ceilings. The projector's multi-adaptive system ensures instant image calibration, while the Dynaudio hi-fi audio system provides an immersive sound experience. Elevate your movie nights with the Jmgo N1 Pro, a game-changer in home entertainment. Number 3. NexiGo PJ20 Outdoor Projector. Get ready to revolutionize your home theater experience with the NexiGo PJ20 Outdoor Projector. With standardized ANSI lumens for accurate brightness, native 1080p resolution, and 500 ANSI lumens brightness, this projector delivers stunning visuals. The built-in speaker with Dolby audio support and Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity ensures an immersive audio experience. Plus, it supports wireless screen mirroring for iOS, Android, and Windows devices. Transform your living room into a theater today with the NexiGo PJ20. Number 2. Yaber Pro V9 4K Projector. The Yaber Pro V9 4K projector is a remarkable home theater device that offers a host of impressive features. With its smart autofocus and auto 6D keystone correction, achieving a clear and perfectly aligned image is effortless. The projector delivers stunning visuals with its 500 ANSI lumens brightness, native 1080p resolution, and support for 4K playback. It also boasts the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology for fast and stable connectivity, along with upgraded Bluetooth 5.2 for enhanced audio transmission. Number 1. Artlii Rubicon Outdoor Projector. The Artlii Rubicon Outdoor Projector is a versatile and feature-packed device that excels in both indoor and outdoor settings. With its dual-mode capability, portability, and automatic focus and keystone correction, it offers convenience and a seamless viewing experience. The stable base and adjustable projection angle enhance movie enjoyment, while the powerful 2x10-watt Dolby speakers deliver excellent sound quality. Get ready to elevate your movie nights and outdoor adventures with the Artlii Rubicon Outdoor Projector. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you next time.